Hey there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make this amazing PowerPoint slide in just 5 minutes using more transition. By the way, you can download this template for free from the link in the description below. So let's start. The first thing you have to do is open up a blank slide and change the format background's color to a dark color. Now go to more fill colors and then from here you're gonna choose a lighter shade of the same color. Next, you're gonna close the format background and then insert a circle of about 20 centimeter of height and width. Here you go. Let me just change the width and height. Here you go. Now you have to put it right into the center and middle and you have to remove its outline and then give it darker shade of the same color you used at the background. Next, we're gonna insert about 4 images. So I'll just use these cookies images right now. Let's just decrease their sizes. Let's decrease their height and width to the same size. So next we're gonna like separate all of them and then put each of them onto the circle. Well, here you go. So let's just put it right on top and one onto the right side and one goes onto the below of the circle and one onto the left side. So let's increase the size of this cookie as well. So here you see. Now what we have to do is select this top shape and we're gonna rotate it like this onto the left side. And here you go. So let's just go to shape format and then rotate it about 90 degrees to the left. Next for this gingerbread, we're just gonna rotate it 90 degrees to the left as well. But this is a mistake that I made, but what you have to do is rotate it onto 90 degrees onto the right side. You have to select everything and then group it and insert a text box that you have to in which you have to insert your text that describes the cookie that is onto the page. Here you go. Here you go. Now the next thing you're going to do is like just increase the size of the text and then you have to put it right here like this. Select them and then move them upwards. Next, insert another text box for the content text that describes the cookie or anything that or else you are using. By the way, let me tell you again that you can download this template for free from the link in the description below. And if you like this video, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to get more amazing videos like these on time. So let's continue. Here you go. So the next thing we're going to do is insert or the name of our brand or company that we're like talking about in this template. So let's just increase its size and change its color to white as well as it is more suitable for the background color. And let's change the font as well. Here you go. Now the next thing we're going to do is duplicate this slide. Wait a minute. Let me just insert the logo. Yeah. So now right click on this template. First of all, group the text and then you have to put it into the middle. Duplicate this template and then you have to rotate it like this, that the next cookie comes on the slide. Next for the text, let's just change it. And first of all, let's ungroup it by pressing Ctrl Shift and G. Here you go. The next thing we're going to do is like go to the previous slide and ungroup the text as well onto that slide and onto this slide as well. Now let's change the text a little bit. Here you go. So I have added all of the text. Let's duplicate this slide as well. And the next thing we're going to do is duplicate, like you rotate this circle that the third cookie comes onto the slide. And for the text, let's just change it. So let's put it close to the first text box, and for the text, content text, I'll just change it myself. What you have to do is change it entirely different from the previous slide. It will describe what the thing that is onto the circle and onto the slide is about and what like it is and how good it is and its specialities. So let's duplicate this slide into a fourth slide and rotate this as well. So as you can see, this gingerbread is just wrongly placed. I'll just like correct it. And let's just change the text as well. And for the content text, let us just change it as well. Here you go. So the next thing you're going to do is after adding the content text, go to select all of the slides and go to transitions tab and click on more transition. So this is the final result, and if you like this video, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon. You can download this template for free from the link in the description below.